Good morning. This is Floyd from Blue Chip Options and OEXoptions.com, and this is Point and Figure lesson number 3. You'll note here that I have two charts to show you. In lesson number 2, I showed you as the stock initially began to drop, and then as it initially began to rise. The X's again show upward movement, the O's show the downward movement. You'll note that after it rose to 15, it began dropping. And it dropped to 12. Again, you saw this in O's so that you could make your mark on the computer sheet that you've got, and you can see that the market moved down. It then dramatically reversed and began to move up, and it moved up to 17, did a slightly lower reversal, that's a higher high, and then moved up again to a higher high to 18, which appeared to be a resistance line. It then dropped more dramatically back to a support line of 13. Look how many zeros we have at 13. Then tried again to make it back up to a new market top, made it to 18 and didn't make it. What happened then is the stock began to drop and it got to new lows, again hitting a new and less strong support line at 11, but yet alone a support line. It then tried its move up, it made it to 15, moved down again and stopped at 11, now a very clear support line. We moved up again to 14 and stopped again at 11. What you'll see here is a pattern beginning to emerge. Remember, the point and figure charts do not show time in a linear fashion. Every column can represent one day or many days. It depends on the price movement. Because this filters out the noise associated with traditional charting, every mark you see on a point and figure chart is relevant and important. It makes it easier to view the past and the future.